Hello guys, I am going to show you how can you restore Microsoft Adventure Works uh, database backup. You can have the database from this website. From here you can download them, or you can have the files by joining to Microsoft SQL Server and you will get the file. Okay, now drag and drop the file to the machine here, virtual machine. Okay, open the file. You will see .bak file with this extension. Control and select them, copy them. I recommended you to transfer the file to SQL Management Studio backup. Go to the C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server, this one. You will see a backup folder. Paste the file here. It is easy to search for them. Now open the Microsoft SQL Management Studio and right click on database. You will see this option, restore database. Choose a device and click here, add, and you will see the files that we are pasting in the backup folder. Select them and press OK. 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 And then OK. And the file will be here. Just refresh and you will see the file here. The TSQL, if you didn't see it, restore, and then here add TSQL. OK, 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 and you will see. And that's it. Thank you for listening.